Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to pair the Switch 1 controllers on Nintendo Switch 2. So you can connect these Joy-Cons, although you cannot connect them physically to attach them, but you can use them wirelessly. And in order to do so, go to this, you can see here, this button. I'm gonna first disconnect them. This Joy-Con button, and now click on how to pair controllers. Now click on other pairing methods, and then on the Joy-Cons or on the Pro controller you'll have a button like this, and while on this screen press and hold on this button, on the circular sync button. In a moment it'll show it's paired. Do the same with the other one if you want to connect the other one as well. And now you can see it's paired. Let's click on OK. Now I can also use those, and you can see they have separate identifiers. These are marked as 2 dots and these are marked with 1 dot. And that's basically it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.